All right, good evening to you from the Storm Alert Weather Center. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following areas: central Monroe County, western Cumberland County, and southeastern Metcalfe County until 6 o'clock, about another 25 minutes or so for a severe thunderstorm warning. National Weather Service Doppler radar and the Jamestown Doppler radar indicating a severe thunderstorm that was located over Tompkinsville, moving to the northeast at 45 miles per hour. You can expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Tornado watch remains in effect, and we also see the possibility of a tornado in that particular storm as it moves through. I'm going to zoom in on that cell, and you can see that there is a little bit of rotation in that storm, and we should be watching that, especially if you are in Monroe County or the western part of Cumberland County. Again, severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for Monroe County and the western part of Cumberland County. Looking back to the west, you can see a large cluster of storms that have formed just inside the Kentucky border, have a storm warning in effect for areas around Madisonville, up towards Sturgis over in Webster County, and those storms continues to move to the east. Got one tornado warning, and if I'm not mistaken, it's probably Livingston County, I would say, and those storms are moving to the east at about 30 miles per hour. We're also watching a cell that's coming out of Taylor County, and this will be moving into Jacktown over in Casey County, moving out of Bradfordville into Liberty, or just north of Liberty. That is a severe thunderstorm warning there. And that storm warning is in effect for another 20 minutes or so for southern Marion and Taylor County. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for Cumberland County, western part, as well as central Monroe County. That's in the southern part of the state, right near the Kentucky and Tennessee border. I want to look at of course, we're not allowed to share the live video, the live radar imagery online, but I want to look at the data from the Jamestown Doppler radar and see what we can detect if there's any rotation in that particular storm. And we see just a little bit in just north of Tompkinsville. There could be just a little bit of rotation. Again, this is based on data from the Doppler radar here in Jamestown, Kentucky. We'll be back in just a moment. We'll let this radar loop play, and I will be back in just one moment. All right, an AIR's tornado alert is now indicating a severe storm was just a second ago. That is in regards to that storm that is in Cumberland County or approaching Cumberland County. The National Weather Service says possible tornado in that particular cell as it moves through. One thing that is concerning this evening is the development of independent cells. That's cells that form out by themselves, and you can see that one just south of Bowling or south of Morgantown, between Morgantown and Bowling Green. Those cells can develop in this type of atmosphere and become supercells, and the possibility of producing a tornado. So between now and the time the watch ends at 9 o'clock, we've got a lot of things to watch. We're seeing the cell moving into northern Casey County. The Weather Service has not upgraded to a storm warning for Casey County, but it's likely that heavy rainfall and gusty winds would be in that particular region. So we're going to continue to monitor the weather this afternoon and evening and keep you updated and informed. Right now, the only warnings that we have in effect is that storm warning for Greene and Taylor. That is moving into Casey. That will expire in about 15 minutes at 6 o'clock. Again, that's a storm warning for Greene and Taylor moving into Casey. But as of now, no warning for Casey County. The storm warning over in Grayson County and Hardin County is in effect until 5:45. That will expire soon. And we were watching the one down in Cumberland, and we'll continue to watch that until the warning expires. So it's likely we'll see more severe weather tonight. We've had reports of lime-size, L-I-M-E, lime-sized hail in parts of Adair County earlier. We're waiting to get some pictures possibly of that or more confirmation. So as we take a break, we'll be back and continue to watch the weather. Keep you updated and informed. Storm anchor Keith Richardson will probably be joining us when the worst of the storm hits a little bit later, if it develops. And we will be here for you throughout the evening hours to keep you updated. Again, a tornado watch remains in effect until 9 o'clock